Good afternoon, sir. This is Anjana, Principal of Swami Gurucharan Das, Snatandharam Senior Secondary School, Kalano. It is situated in Rohtak district, and the location of this school is Pasana Road, Anaj Mandi, and you can see easily the upper side of the name of our school with affiliation number and school code also. Our guard is here for making entry of each and every person. The person entered and going outside. This side, this is our parking area. Here students and our school buses are parked here. These are the display boards of any venture this school has. It is presented on this board and you will feel special. And as you are a good teacher and you are a friend, you will be treated here as a friendly behavior. These are the notice boards where students mention on daily important questions and source. As mentioned here, team being work hard and stay humble. And these are the display boards for students' motivation. That when we come, then we grow. This is the reception area of our school. Parents and students come and they are welcomed here. This is the morning assembly ground where we conducted morning assembly. This is the morning assembly ground where we conducted morning assembly.
Relax. Attention. Relax. Attention. Relax. Attention.
Coming to our physics lab. This is our physics lab. This is the stock register. And in this register, name of each material is mentioned according to number. And every material is placed according to requirements in Almira. And one, it is also placed outside the Almira. This is the ability of physics so that students can easily learn each and everything about physics. Here, do's and don'ts are mentioned about the use of lab so that students can easily understand each and everything in lab. Now let's move to our chemistry lab. Outside the chemistry lab, periodic table has been mentioned for easy understanding of students. Metals, non-metals, transition elements are also mentioned here. Now let's come inside. This is our chemistry lab. Yes, so you can see that the water is running in this thing. Now I am going to stop the register. This is the stock register of chemistry lab in which each chemicals that is consumable and unconsumables are mentioned and placed according to their numbers. Towards biolab, this is our biolab. Here students can come and even know about the body structure, protective parts of flowers, and even models are also presented here as a model of a paper. Do's and don'ts of biolab. This is a microscope where students can learn about the organisms, organisms running, part This is our stock register. In stock register also mention the name of teams according to their numbering, and all the equipments are placed according to number. Now let's move to our computer lab. Our computer teacher, Mrs. Nisha is here. Yes, Nisha. Nisha, about the lab.
Good afternoon. My name is Nisha. I am a computer teacher for classes 6 to 12. And this is our computer lab. Here is 40 pieces are available for the students. And one projector is also available for the students. And this is a practical file for class 9 and 10 also. Here the do's and don'ts of the IT lab. That is, student will enter in the lab what is he and she use, and what does not he and she not use.
Let's move to our library. Platform inside. This is our library where students and teachers come to spend their time for increasing their knowledge. This is the newspaper stand. By reading newspaper, students and teachers can increase their knowledge. This is the place for teachers. They can sit here and consume their time for increasing their knowledge. And as we can say that our freedom fighters, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the map of world is also presented here. This is the place for students, student transit. Please, they can gain more knowledge. This is library stock register in which stock of books has been mentioned according to their number. And this is issue register in which students' names mentioned with their dates and books. And this is the daily entry register. Now let's move to our greenery place, that is our playground, where students come and feel full of enthusiasm for playing. This is our long jump place where students can do practice for long jump and high jump. Our physical teacher, Mr. Jitender. Now this is our volleyball coach. Students come and play full of enthusiasm to improve themselves. Our physical teacher, Mr. Jitender is here.
वॉलीबॉल का खो-खो कोर्ट
Now it's time to show the documents of our school. It is profile of our school. This is a permanent recognition affiliation letter that is also shown on our website. And now it's society registration and its memorandum. Managing committee and constitution list. That is affidavit that has been asked by you. Balance sheet of last 3 years. This is the profile of myself. Now staff statement. Service rules for employees. Drinking and water sanitation certificate. Building safety certificate. Hygienic and sanitation certificate. Fire certificate. Salary certificate by bank. Now, details of our lab. Vehicle fitness certificate. This is valid up to 2027. This is our school calendar. NOC from Board of School Education, Haryana. And this non-objection letter we get in 2018. Details of sports ground and room sizes. School timing and timetable. This is our teaching details. The training details that has been mentioned by CBSE of 25 hours of CBP and 25 hours of in-house training. Complete year calendar has been mentioned here. Details of sports material. Fee structure of our school. This is the fee deposit receipt and the annual budget and the prospective future plan. School report card, registration certificate of our society.